What is going on, homies? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be changing out the control arms on my car, and my control arms aren't bad. The thing is, I got these from somebody from the Facebook group. They are the upgraded 2J ones with the upgraded bushings on the rear and the upgraded ball joints. So basically every bushing and everything is upgraded from the stock ones. So that's why we're going to be switching them out. Let's get the car jacked up and ready to go. But before we start doing that, make sure to go hit that subscribe button, like the videos, comment. I respond to all the comments that you guys leave, and I just love hearing from you guys and seeing your perspective. And I know one of you guys has a Spec V as well. One of you guys said that you guys love the fact that there's another B15 creator on YouTube, and I really appreciate that. I know there's not a lot of people out there that know about these cars, but hey, the ones that do know about these cars know their stuff. Those guys on the Facebook group, crazy guys, man. They have some crazy builds. Obviously mine's not the best one, but there's some guys that have the cleanest builds, some guys that has the highest horsepower builds, and it's just crazy, man. But we're gonna hopefully make this B15 a good daily driver, good looking and quick as hell as well. So let's get this car jacked up and ready to go. So now that we have the whole car on jack stands and we have the wheels off, and we also took off the caliper and the rotors just so that we can have a little bit more space. So this is how it looks now, and I have the caliper on some bungee cords. What I have to do is you gotta take off the nut that's back here, which is this one, and then you have three bolts that hold it to the subframe right down underneath, and then you have one bolt which is right here. So we gotta take this one off as well. I believe this one's a 22, but we'll take off the control arm and the other one as well, and then we'll slap on the new ones. Control arm out. So it was pretty difficult because of the fact that the nut, you can't really fit an impact in the nut from the back, so I had to hit the bolt from the front. So if you don't have an impact, it is going to be a bit of a struggle, but we got it out. We just need to take off this last nut that's back here, which is not a 22, it is a 20. So with a 20, just loosen that up and the control arm will come off. So let me take off the nut. Bam. Alright, control arm is out, and I'm guessing it was already going bad either way, because yeah, I mean, look at that. That's not supposed to be moving like that, so that's bad. And this is kind of loose, but it's not that bad. But either way, out with the old, and we got the new control arm, which is this one right here. So now this control arm, like I said, it does have the upgraded bushings over here, and the upgraded bushing right here, and then the upgraded ball joint right here. So this is gonna be perfect upgrade for the B15. So we got the control arms on now. So basically just repeat the steps back. So now hopefully with these new control arms and the camber plates that we placed on last time in the other video, but yeah, we got the new control arms on, we got the old ones out, the other one's already on as well. And now what's next is put the calipers on, bleed the system, and then we gotta send it to get an alignment, because anytime you mess with your suspension's height, especially if you're putting coilovers on your car, you're gonna wanna get an alignment. And I also got new tires, and I haven't driven these tires at all. Like, I put tires on and I've never driven the car. So that's what we're gonna be doing next. So that's gonna be for tomorrow. So once we get everything situated and the car is perfectly fine running, then we'll send to go get an alignment. And once the alignment is done, then I can drive the car freely and everything. But something to make the car look better just got here, and it's the vinyl wrap. Now I'm not gonna tell you what color I got for the car. Just know that it's gonna be a very aggressive yet subtle color that the car is gonna have. So stay tuned for that, and we're gonna be wrapping that very shortly. So yeah, stay tuned for all that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post another video. We're only gonna be posting B15 content until we end up buying another car, whatever car me and David decide to buy. We just want to build something else besides the Sentra, something that's rear-wheel drive. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below, and we'll definitely check them out and see which one we can go with. All right, guys, peace out.